Hello. So as you can see on the box, it's a Diamond Art Club unboxing. I have to say it's the first time with my orders that I get this box. Normally it's just a brown box with nothing on there, so I don't know why they sent me a Diamond Art Club. Maybe because it's my 5th order, I have no idea. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know which side it is because, like I say, normally it's not this one. So I'm going to try to open it. I think there are 4 paintings in here. So, of 3? I don't know. Okay, I can't remember. So let's take them out. I'm not going to show you the pictures yet. Oh no, there are only 3 diamond paintings. I thought I ordered 4 paintings. I'm sorry, but my invoice is like really stuck in there. Oh yeah, now I got it. No, it's 3. So there were, I believe, the newer versions. I'm so sorry. Yeah, this is where it's supposed to be. All right, so I got 1 small one and 2 bigger ones. I think they are all square or round, I believe. Yes, they are all round. I'm gonna start with the smallest one. So I have this one. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. So it's called Butterfly Colorful. It does have a bee, and it's a round painting. I hope it's focused. So let's open it together. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day despite everything that's going on in the world. This is my 5th order. Yeah, they're so pretty. It's still a huge painting. I think I have everything. Yes, it's a 76 by 41, so it's a pretty long one. It's not that large, but it's, so I'm going to show you the picture again because it's much bigger on here. So we have 43 colors, so yeah, it's a lot. So I don't need that anymore. Let's see where the opening is. Yeah, it's taped, so I'm still going to need it. I was searching for something, but I can't find it right away. I'm going to search later. So it's a pretty long one. Oh yeah. Whoa, it's much bigger than I thought it would. Can you see that? Yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, it's really on the entire page. Not the page, but the diamond painting. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And as we all know, it's really clear. Yeah, so The artist is, I'm sorry if I'm gonna say it wrong, is Yuri Malkov. Yeah, it's a beautiful art. It's a beautiful picture. Normally I'm not into I first thought that it was like not a butterfly but the other one that eats clothing. I am not sure how it's called in English, but yeah, I love that one. So here we have all the colors, and I'm looking, oh, it's a blue one. The AB is a blue one. I don't know if I have more than one. Yeah, I have an orange as well as AB. Yeah, so these are the colors. I'm sorry, you could not see that. You can see the AB right here, and that's the other AB. Yeah, so it's going to be a very gorgeous picture. Yeah, it's a gorgeous one. So we have the instructions that we don't really need anymore, and we have the toolkit where I have so many already. So and as usual, it's sticky. We have 43 colors. Yeah. Gonna put it like this in the back. I forgot the sticker, but that's all right. I'm going to put it like this in here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing all... It's not my day. Maybe I should have waited until tomorrow, but I was so excited when I got this in the mail. So I'm sorry. I keep bumping my camera today. I keep bumping everything actually. So which one? I'm going to do this one first. So the next one is my horse. So it's called War Pony. I love ponies. And when I saw that one, I wanted it. So I'm so happy that I got it. So I am really happy. It's a long painting. I think it's actually a little bit larger than the other one. The length is the same, but it's a little bit larger. So let's take a look at my War Pony. All right. So we have a beautiful sticker. I love it, sticker. It's so big. So we have 32 colors. Are so gorgeous. So we have also ABs in here. Oh, he's gorgeous. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you in one time, because like I say, my camera is not that high. So we have the top. So we have his head here. We have some beautiful designs on there. I'm going to... So we have the feathers. Yeah, he is lovely. He is beautiful. Yeah, and then we have the bottom part. Yeah, my head's going to be gorgeous. I love ponies, but I love animals in general. So it's not just ponies. It's animals. I love animals. I can't see right away which one is the AB one. I know there's one in there. Oh, I just found it. It's like a white one right there. Yeah, the camera doesn't pick it up, but yeah. Yeah, there's a lots of beautiful colors. I think, I know it's going to be a gorgeous one as well. So this one was 56 by 51. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Love it. Yeah, I'm sorry if you want to see the drills, but I think many of you don't like to see the drills. So I am not showing you them. If you like to see the drills, please leave a comment below. And I will make a video with the drills only. So that was the second one. Then my last one is my cats. So it's the cat. Like I would be in camera, would be amazing, right? So this one is it's almost the same size. Excuse me, my voice. Almost the same size as my pony. It's 3 centimeters different, but I have a little a small sticker. So I have my small sticker, my big sticker. I have 29 colors, which is not bad. And my sticker is on the wrong way. But yeah, I do know that the eyes are glows in the dark. So I'm really excited to see that. I need my scissors again because they take it. Right, let's see my cutie. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, it's a big one, but I know I'm gonna love it. Look at those eyes. And his nose. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Sadly, I cannot use like rhinestones for this, but that would have been amazing. But I am going to use maybe some ABs throughout the canvas. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. These are the colors. You can see the bright colors for his eyes, and that are the glows in the dark. I don't know why, but my camera is not picking up all the colors, which is not right, because they are so beautiful. So many bright colors. It's going to be amazing, as always. So I'm gonna pull it back. So these are my 3 paintings that came in. There's not I didn't do a new order for now. There are some paintings that I still want, but they are not in stock at the moment, so I have to wait until they're back. Thank you so much for watching, for your comments, and for everyone that subscribed to my channel. I'm really grateful to each and every one of you. If you have any questions about diamond painting or request for a video that is even not related to diamond painting, please leave it down in the comments below, and yeah, maybe I'll do a video about that. Please stay safe. I know everyone is having a hard time. It's not easy for us, but we're gonna make it through. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.